Vernon Kay scrawled across over Joel Dommett's face in a comic relief promotional photo and announced to the world that he would be replacing him after the latter bowed out due to catching COVID. He then savagely suggested that his friend should join the action from home. Masked singer-presenter Joel had been looking forward to hosting this year's comic relief event, alongside fellow stars Alicia Dixon, Lenny Henry, Patty McGuinness, David Tennant and Zoe Ball. However, there was bitter disappointment in store for him after he contracted COVID. Vernon scrawled over a photo of the Dream Team, and after obliterating Joel's face, urged fans to scroll for replacement. He then produced a new version, doctored to show his face inserted into the picture instead. COVID has caught Captain Fantastic at Joel Dommett, so I'm gonna be trying to fill his size 11. 5 shoes, Vernon crowed. Get the vits in, Joel kick its ass and join in the fun from the sofa, he teased. You could win a car, however, despite the blunt message, there was clearly no hard feelings between the pair as Joel replied back with a heart emoji to say, "Love, you, XX. Haha, the cutout face replacement, at publicist Polybeth chortled as she looked on. Social media user Davinia Taylor encouraged, every COVID cloud. On his own Instagram account, Joel sounded upbeat in spite of the news. Super annoyed to report that I have the COVID, he wrote regretfully. This, unfortunately, means I have to pull out of hosting at Comic Relief. He added, my incredible replacement is the better looking, more talented at Vernon Kay, who is ace. Then he quipped, I'll be watching from home donating loads of money like everyone else. The action this year will include former Little Britain duo Matt Lucas and David Walliams, who are expected to pose as Miley Cyrus and her country music legend father Billy Ray. Then Kylie Minogue will be taking part in a special sketch along with the cast of Ghosts. Strictly Come Dancing 2021 winners Rose Ayling-Ellis and Giovanni Pernice, who flew the flag for equal representation for the deaf community, will be pulling out all the stops on the night too. Plus fans can expect a special performance from the cast of West End show and Juliet. There'll also be appearances in store from other big names including Dawn French and Jennifer Saunders, while the much-loved show The Repair Shop will be showcased. Vernon has already posted teaser pictures and clips with Matt and David to give fans a taste of what is to come this Friday when the show hits the airwaves. Comic Relief will be screened from 7 p.m. on BBC One this Friday, 18th March.